ready?
I think so.
What's up, guys? We're back, and I think this is going to be the last day of the Evo 10 on the lift. Are you excited, Shane?
I am so excited, Nick.
All right, Shane, what are we doing now?
Right now, I just purchased a new to me but used exhaust system because mine was junk. And there was one bad part about it, Nick. I need to put you to work.
So you're doing a single exhaust, huh?
Yes, sir. AMS. AMS. We need a new bunghole on this one, though, because it came pounded hard. So here we go.
We got to weld it up? Mm-hmm. You welding? I think you should weld.
I'll try. I'll give it hell. There's just going to be bigger holes than that in this exhaust.
I think you should try.
Put me in, coach.
Should we let him try? What do you think, Christian?
Yeah. Let him weld it up. He got it.
I got it.
What's the worst that could happen?
All right.
I've done bubble gum before.
I guess we'll, so we really ship it? Nah. We'll go race the Mystic. I haven't welded in a really long time. Let's see if I still got it.
Let me try this one. Let me try this one.
That's 3,000.
It's a hot hole, baby. It's wet and hot. Psych. 3,000. $5.
Short as fuck.
Oh, big fella.
Race, man.
Be easy.
Ease and then Track Shack 1,000. Yep.
Is that?
We need a gasqueta up here.
Yeah. As y'all can see, we're tightening some exhaust, yeah. Y'all can see. Yeah, yeah.
Nice and tight.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, yeah, baby.
How many others is that?
These are sugars. Sugar Shaynes, baby. Hope you're ready. Hope you're fucking ready, buddy. Got a pack of mean lunch, says Nick, all right? Pack it up. Once this is done, you can finally get it off the lift. And then what? Finish the gauges. Oh, yeah. How's that? Not bad, Christian? You proud of me?
Looking good.
You proud of me?
You'll figure out when the gauge stops working if it wasn't good.
100%. You ain't lying, buddy. Okay.
All right. Looking like it's ready.
Buttoned her up.
Buttoned her up. Shane's bringing this thing to get some tires on Monday
Yes, sir.
and an alignment. Drive it around a little bit, and then Friday,
Maybe.
get in tune.
Maybe.
Start it up, Shane. Let's hear that new exhaust.
Maybe it sounds all right. Maybe we'll see. I don't know.
Start it up, Daddy. Wow, man. That twin disc be loud.
Cheddar.
See this exhaust.
Cheddar.
Woo. Actually, really, really good.
Looks all right?
Well, this sounds good.
Not bad?
Not loud,
That's what I'm saying.
not raspy. This is all good.
Yeah. It's not bad. That's just because I opened the door.
All right, kill it. Time for the maiden voyage. First drive in the Evo 10. Oh. What do you think? You ready?
Yeah, I hope the car's ready.
Bill.
Oh, this boost.
Bill, where'd you come from? Wait. You got to put the hat on, Bill. Behind you.
Oh.
It's the only way.
You like Mexico, Ben?
That's where we're going.
Boys like Mexico.
Guys, ready?
Let's try this thing out.
See what it does.
No boost, right?
No, don't even go crazy.
We're not allowed to do that.
Don't
right
forget,
now?
you got a brand new clutch too, so it's making a lot of noise. So go easy. All those brakes.
Brand new.
Not too bad, Jim Bob.
It's running and driving. Got a couple miles on her. Hanging a Larry up here.
Keep going straight,
Going
man.
straight. Can't even take a Larry.
Take me to the beach.
Oh, to the beach, you say?
I want to go for a nice dip.
All right, do a polar plunge.
Well,
So far, so good.
so far so good. Got a little exhaust leak back here. Sounds like a gasket.
It's same situation. The 2-bolt flange is not sealing, man. Gotta cut that out.
You gotta go a little bit tighter. Well, it made it here under its own power.
A few miles.
Next up, some tires and an alignment.
And then
Tune.
big tune time, baby.
Weirdo.